Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, just a quick video. So a few days ago, I just found this app while browsing. It's called Waifu2X. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Okay, so what does this app do? On the website, it says you can use this app to double the size of your images, reduce the noise, and improve their appearance. Okay, so it sounds pretty useful, right? But is it worth a try? Let's find out. So just search on Google Waifu2X and click on this one waifu2x.pro to open the app, and it's completely free. Okay, before we get any further, you might want to scroll down until you see this why to use Waifu2X. If you read about it, you will find out that this app is specializes in anime and manga style images, so you won't get the best results in real photos. Okay, so let's try this app. I will find some anime photo. Okay, let's download this one. Okay, after that, click select your image and select the photo. After that, I will set the noise reduction to medium and scale 2 times. Then click convert. And after it's done, you can download the image in JPEG file or in PNG file. I will download it in JPEG file. Okay, after that, let's check out the image. So this is the original image, and this is the image we just convert. So if you check out the size, the one we just converted, it's much more larger than the original photo. Okay, and if you see the resolutions, okay, it's twice the original photo. Okay, let's see the difference. This is the original and this is the one we just converted. So as you can see, it kinds of adds some contrast to the photo. Okay, so I will try to import it to a finished photo so we can compare it by size. I will copy the original photo to the one we just converted, and as you can see, it's much more larger than the original photo, and like I said before, it adds contrast to the photo. Okay, so I think this one looks better than the original. Okay, so I must say it's a pretty useful app, especially if you're an illustrator, designer, or animator. Like if you draw or design on a wrong canvas, like a smaller canvas, you can use this app to make the drawing or the design larger without having to lose the quality. Okay, so I must say it's a pretty useful app. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have already. And I will see you guys in the next video.